Hello yogis, welcome to the Yoga for Weight Loss Facebook community. My name is Myckie. I am the host, I guess, of this group. I have started this group to share with you some of my tips and tricks inspired by yoga. I'm an Ayurvedic health counselor, and so in the next few weeks I'd love to share more with you guys about what Ayurveda is and what it can do for you and your health. This community is all about you guys. So I'm so glad that you are here, and I can't wait to hear more about you. I encourage you to comment on this post and just share with me one thing that you are looking forward to in the next year. 2022 is fast approaching. A lot of resolutions will be made, but I would like to just hear something that you're really looking forward to, something that is inspiring you to get to better health. So check out the comment for my inspiration for 2022, and I will talk to you soon.